Hi guys, in front of me is Infinix HOT 40 Pro, and let me show you how to check total screen time. First of all, open the settings. Then find and select digital well-being and parental controls. And here, right in front of you, you've got some general statistics. If you'll click on it again, you will be able to get a bit more knowledge. Here you can enroll screen time, notifications received, or times opened. Here you've got all info. And if you'll tap on some particular app, you can see the statistics for this app only. Obviously, you can go back in time. However, I do use it for the first time. But if you use it for example, a year, you will be able to see statistics since the day one. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.